Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, it is class 11th entrepreneurship. We are just going through the 10th chapter of your text, that is Entrepreneurship Development Program, EDPs. We already knew that what is the meaning of EDP, what was the need for EDP, and what were the objectives of EDP. Today, let us know that what is the entrepreneurship development history. आज हमें जानेंगे कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम जो है EDPs, इंडिया में इसकी हिस्ट्री क्या है, ये कब शुरू हुआ, इस प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत जो है कैसे, किन हालात में हुई और इब्तिदा में क्या क्या चीज़ें इसमें शामिल थीं. Dear students, you know that India got freedom on 15th August 1947, but it was only political freedom. There was no provision for the economic freedom then. So, we can say that 15th August 1947, political freedom did not start with the economic freedom as well. So, the freedom from poverty and unemployment, it was then in 1947, it was a big challenge for the whole country. Dear students, we can say that economic freedom, it started in 1950, यानी 1950 में हिंदुस्तान की इक़्तिसादी आज़ादी जो है, इकोनॉमिक फ्रीडम जो है वो शुरू हुई, क्योंकि तब इंडिया जो है इट बिकेम ए डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री एंड द प्रोविजंस वेयर started that how to get rid of poverty and unemployment in the country. So it was felt at that very time that we have to start the promotion of the industry, and we have to start, in this regard, we have to start the development of small scale industries in the country, because then there were not big factories, there was not any technological know-how, there were not big machines with the country. So to start, there was no substitute for small scale industries. हमारे पास बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्रियाँ शुरू करने के लिए वसाइल नहीं थे, तो उस ज़माने में सिर्फ एक ही ज़रिया था, एक ही तरीका था हमारी इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट के लिए, हमारी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को इरेडिकेट करने के लिए. दैट वाज द स्मॉल स्केल सेक्टर, दोज वर द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. सो हमने क्या किया उस ज़माने में कि हमारी इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट जो है इट स्टार्टेड इन अर्ली 60s, ये 1950 से शुरू हो गया हमारी इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो मुख्तलिफ इक़दामात मुल्की सतह पर उठाए गए. सो द स्टार्ट वाज द प्रमोशन ऑफ और the introduction of small scale sector, development of small scale sector in India. So different things were done at that very time. Government started to promote packages to the entrepreneurs, यानी ये जो हाथों से काम करने वाले जो थे, जो स्किल्ड वर्कर जो थे, ये जो है स्मॉल स्केल सेक्टर में काम करने वाले जो थे, या उस ज़माने में आर्टिजन ज़्यादातर हुआ करते थे, जो कि दस्तकार जो थे, वो छोटी छोटी अपने अपने कारखाने शुरू कर रहे थे, जो कि मैनुअल थे, जिनमें फैक्ट्रीज़ वगैरह जो कि मशीन्स वगैरह वहाँ पर इस्तेमाल नहीं होती थी. तो उन्हीं को प्रमोट करने से हिंदुस्तान में इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर की मतलब ये जो है इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू हो गई. सो दीज स्मॉल स्केल units, the small scale entrepreneurs or these artisans, skillful workers, they were given different kinds of financial incentives, infrastructural facilities, technical and managerial guidance. It was given to these persons. these small scale these owners. This help, this guidance, these incentives, these infrastructural facilities were given at central level, state level, and local levels. So a campaign was started at every step that we have to promote the these small scale sector. So with this, we can say that entrepreneurship development started in India, but it was started from the small scale industries. In this regard, in 1962, a program was started, Small Industry Extension and Training Institute, SIET. It was started in Hyderabad in 1962. This program was started in collaboration with Professor David C. McLeod, who was from Harvard University. So a program was started. Just we are dealing with the entrepreneurial development programs. At that very time, a 3 months training program was started. In this, in collaboration with the McLeod Harvard University, Professor David C. McLeod of Harvard University, and SIET, that was Small Industry Extension and Training Institute, Hyderabad. So these training programs were started for 3 months in different these areas. They were started in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and then it was a start. It was a beginning for the development of this entrepreneurship. These were it was a start for entrepreneurship development program. And later on, in 1970, a program was started in Gujarat. That was Gujarat Industrial Investment Corporation. It was a program, development program started at that very time. So different programs were started at lower levels, at central levels. Then in 1979, another program, CED, that was Center for Entrepreneurship Development. It was started in Ahmedabad in 1979. Then different programs. One was in 1983, EDI, Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. It was for the first time that an institute was started in 1983. It was started in Ahmedabad, Entrepreneurship Development Institute, EDI. So this was started. This was the beginning of entrepreneurship development programs. Before that, some programs were started, but they were not directly related to entrepreneurship development. So for the first time, the program was started in 1983. So with this beginning, different programs at that very time. Bihar, Goa, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh, different programs were started. And it is said that at this time 686 organizations are involved in entrepreneurship development programs throughout the country. Now the network, it has been extended in lengths and breadths of the country, and now at every level these entrepreneurship development programs are being started. So this was a brief history regarding the entrepreneurship development program, how it started and how it got extension in the whole country at state level, central level, and then local level. So this is enough for today, that what was the beginning of the entrepreneurship development programs in India.